Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how to put buttstock on a shotgun. It's a Remington A70 tactical, and then also bought red dot sight to go with it for aiming. Help me aim better. When I had these pistol grip, I bought a laser thing, but this laser is crap. So if you ever seen one, it's really bad. It doesn't work though. It doesn't even do anything. This pattern is messed up. This first day I bought it just messed up. So before we start, I want to show you that the gun is not loaded. Okay, there's no bullet in the chamber, and it's on safety. So just show you, they're not loaded, but in the chamber. Okay, the first thing you do is you're gonna take out a screw that's in here, and then you're gonna take out that. It's pretty easy. And then there's a screw that's already in here, and then you're gonna put this wrench inside, but you're gonna have to take this out because you can't do it. Even though you change the positions, it's gonna be in your way. So how you do it is you see how you change the position by pushing this button. You pull it. You do the opposite, and that's how this stock comes out, separates with the pistol grip. So what you do is do this, and then you push it. Pull it all the way, and then push it. See, it comes off. And one thing that when you buy this is a Blackhawk stock, and it came with this forehand, but I already got my own forehand from Magpul, so I'm not gonna need this. And yeah, so let's get started. So gonna go ahead, put this iron wrench inside, and it's tight, so we're gonna tighten these. Okay. It's very, very easy to do. Screws up, pistol grip out, and then put it back on like this. Then you go in here and you start screwing it in. Kind of tighten it, make sure it doesn't wiggle. See, this laser works, and that work whenever you want to work, it works. But I'm not gonna need it anymore, so because I got red light. So you gotta make sure it doesn't wiggle. Maybe tighten it a little bit, not too tight. But kind of tight. Yeah, it's tight now. Okay, we're gonna put this back on. And pull this all the way up and put. Okay, that's good. So as you can see, the buttstock is on, and see now you can aim. Put it and aim better. You know, whereas with this one, I have to hold this like this. You know, which kicks, especially over here. It used to kick my hand, but now I'm gonna be able to do it this and aim better. And so now that we're done with the red buttstock, we're gonna remove these and then we're gonna put the red dot on. Okay. So this red dot comes with I think it's a user manual, a cleaning thing for like to clean it. It's the red dot. You know, it's the cleaning to clean this front, maybe back. I don't know if it can go in, but oh yeah, that's how it looks like. Really nice. And you got 1, 2, 3, 4 different settings. If you want to point across and some other stuff like a cycle, you can see over here. And you can change it from red to green. And it comes with 3 batteries. Brand new batteries. 4 batteries actually, 4, and 2 Allen wrench to put it on and adjust it. I don't know what this small one is for, because yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and put it on. As of course you can see, the gun is not loaded. There's no bullet in the magazine tube. So we're going to go ahead and remove this one. I think it might be the same size. Then put that one back on. Put that one on. Come off. Then I want to take this out too. So before we attach it, we want to see the most comfortable position that we put it. Not too far from your eye, but not too close from your eye either. So just put it here. You don't want to put it too far from your eye, but maybe if you want, you can do it. So I think this is better for me. So I'm gonna just leave it here and tighten it. You don't want to put it like this way. I think you don't want to put it this way because it looks like far, but I think you can do it, but I'm probably gonna put it more here. So now that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and put the battery in and test it. Show you guys how it looks. This is where the battery goes in. Just gotta open like this. And put it here, put it in wrong. Maybe. We'll find out. It was right. Now you want to tighten these. Maybe put like a quarter, a coin. Maybe this can work. I don't know. So I'm gonna put it just in the middle, make it tight more. But I think a quarter or 1 cent can work, but if you put it like this and just tighten it, make sure it's tight. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you. This is how it looks from inside. See, you can see, and you can change setting from, and then you can even adjust the brightness, make it, you know, dim or too bright. You can change it from green, and then put red. Another thing you can do is you can change it from whatever settings you want, you know, across, a circle and a dot inside, and just a dot, and yeah, and then you can adjust the brightness to, just like I said, and put it from green to red. And then now we're done. And the next thing that we have left to do is to zero it. Make sure that this goes with the front sight, and we can be able to shoot and aim, because you don't want to just put it on. But I think I like it like this, you know. It is good. And got a flashlight on too, you know, which is something that you need. Yeah. So what I was thinking about zeroing the gun, probably not gonna do it on this video. I'll show you on the next video. But thanks for watching this video. Comment, like, subscribe, and come back for more. Thank you.